Possibly the most incredible fact about Grace Church is that it was designed by James Renwick Jr. when he was merely 23 years old. The enormous Gothic revival masterpiece is a testament to Renwick's mastery of clean lines and an epic scale to inspire heavenly thought. The Pre-Raphaelite window was designed by Clayton and Bell in 1878 and is known as the Te Deum window, meaning praise, and it sings with colour and richness. The church is highly visible along Broadway as it lies in the only bend in the road. The road bends here because Henry Brevoort, an early 19th century landowner, refused to let the road run over his orchard. One of the more bizarre events in the church's history was in 1863, when P.T. Barnum laid on the wedding of the famous midget Tom Thumb. Such was the popularity of the event that the crowds that showed up turned the wedding into complete pandemonium.